What? Let's try it again and again, but I don't really. I am a real monster. Nope. I will do what I'll say, what I feel like. All my ex did was cheat. And I have someone better. I have someone better than you. That's right. I have someone better than my ex. I have someone better than all I wanted to do was have she to know. And this ain't no country song. All my ex did was cheat. I have someone better, someone who has the kiss, someone who doesn't want to cost me much money. Yeah. All my ex did was cheat, and she was the B word. All my ex did was cheat, and she was the B word. 1, 2, 3. All my ex did was cheat. I'll say that naughty word. My ex was a bitch. I don't care. All she did was cheat. I can say it on K-Rock. That's right. All my ex did was cheat. I have someone better. I have someone better than my ex. My ex was a loser. All she did was cheat. And no, I don't feel sorry for her. I hope she rots in hell. I hope my ex rots in hell. Well, I take my new girlfriend on a new way to heaven. Yeah. I hope my ex rots in hell. Burns in hell with Satan. Cause she's Satan's daughter. In reality. That's what she is. All she did was cheat. She's Satan's daughter, my ex. I have someone better. And I have someone better who doesn't need no makeup, who doesn't need no clothes, who's hot as hell, who wants to shake it like a hot ass. And I like to eat her up. And all my ex did was cheat. She was awful, my ex. She's ugly on the inside and ugly on the outside. But I have someone better. Who tastes better? Who's nicer? Who doesn't cheat? I have someone better. I have someone. I have someone better. Yeah, I have someone better. I have someone better than that lousy, stinking ex who can go straight to hell. Who can go straight to effing hell. I have someone better than my ex. I have someone better.